Hello dear students, welcome back to channel. We are going to continue the next part of the 13th topic, that's age distribution and the age pyramid. Again we see the second point in this topic, that's population growth. So let's see the first one, that is age distribution and the age pyramid. So what's the phenomena here? A population at a given time is made of individuals of different age group. Basically, there are the three age group. First one is a pre-reproductive age group, which is from the year of 0 years to the 14 years. Reproductive age group is from the 14 to 44 years. And the post-reproductive age group is a 45 years and above. The age pyramid. If the age distribution of the various age group is plotted for the population, the resulting structure is called as the age pyramid. Means here we can see here, that is the first one is a pre-reproductive, next one is a reproductive, and the last one is the post-reproductive. For the human population, the age pyramid shows the distribution of the male and the female in a combined diagram. The shape of pyramid, it is reflects the growth status of population, that is an expanding growing population having large number of individuals of pre-reproductive age group. A stable population when the pre-reproductive and the post-reproductive is the same, then it is called as a stable population. Then the population, it says as the steady population. The decline population means what? When the large number of the post-reproductive and the small number of the pre-reproductive, that means the population, it's a decline one. The population size, more technically now called as the population density, which is designated as the letter N, needs not necessary to measure in numbers only. If the population is huge, means large, counting is a very time consuming process, then biomass is a more meaningful measures of the population size. Sometimes relative density serves the purpose equally well. As the next phenomena, when we see, that is the population size, which is designated as the letter N. Let's we see the example, that is in an area, if there are the millions of termites or the ants, but only a few animals which feed on them, starting that the population density of these predators is very low, will be misleading. In the case of biomass, is more meaningful measures. The next one we see, that's a population growth. So what's a population growth? Means the size of population keeps changing with the time depending on the various factors. These various factors like the food, predation, pressure, and adverse weather. So different countries shows a different population. That is the rapid growth of population. This rapid growth, it is observed in case of the Kenya and the Nigeria. The slow growth, it is observed in the United States and the Australia. The zero growth, it's observed in the Denmark and the Italy. And the negative growth, it is observed in the Germany and the Hungary. The next one we see, the density of population in a population fluctuation due to change in the four basic processes. Means whenever there is the density in a population change, but this density of population is change either due to the natality, either due to the mortality, immigration or the immigration. The first one is natality, that is a birth rate. It refers to number of the birth during a given period in a population, that is said as natality. Means if the natality is changed, there is a change in the density of population. Next one is a mortality. if there is a number of the death during the given period of time in a population. The immigration means it is a number of individuals of a same species that have come into habitat from elsewhere, means outside to the these organisms it is entered it into the habitat, that is during when this enter during the time period under the consideration, that is says as the immigration. Immigration means when the number of individual which is left from the habitat during the given period of time, that is called as the immigration. So, if n is the population density at a time t, then its density at a time t plus 1 can be calculated as nt. It is calculated as the nt is equal to no plus nt plus 1. Here there is some mistake, that is n t plus 1 is here. There is a t plus 1. Okay, is equal to nt plus b plus 1 minus d plus e. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel. Thanks.